Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaya, and for today's video we're gonna be doing something different. We are gonna unbox a mini haul from Douglas, and we are gonna be trying it out while I get ready and dress up for my work today. So thank you in advance and enjoy. Hello again, and now we are going to try the products that I bought. First off, we are gonna put some primer, which is something that I don't know why I did, because I already bought the primer, the e.l.f. one, and ayun, maybe because hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin yung e.l.f. because it's cream or powder, solid powder. I don't know what am I supposed to call it, pero ayan. So, ganyan siya. It's almost like a lotion. Pero cream siya. Tapos mabilis siyang mag-dissolve sa mukha niyo. So, since it's a primer, sobrang gaan niya sa mukha. It doesn't feel like na ang kapal-kapal ng cream na nasa mukha mo. Sobrang cute ni Babe. Ayan. So, anyway. Moving on to the primer. I never knew that I needed this one. So, nakikita niyo naman sa expression ko how happy I am about dun sa product. And, yun. Thank you at binili ko yun. Thank you, self. Oh my God. And, that's the confused look. We're gonna move on to our regular routine. Yan, ang i-kiss si Bean habang nagbe-makeup. And next is our foundation. And next is the matte bronzing powder in the shade of lighter skin. Sobrang powdery nito nung tinano ko siya sa brush. Para siyang contour na paradigm blush. Ganon ko siya i-describe. So, ayan. Kita niyo ba yung difference niyan? Mas makikita niyo pa yan pag nilagyan ko na ng blush on. Ayoko naman kasi sobrang pakapalin yun sa mukha ko. Pero, ayan. Anyway. I love it so much. Parang nagkaroon ng something yung mukha ko. Hindi na siya matablay or ewan ko, matabangan. I don't know. Oh, hinahanap ko yung pangalan nung or yung shade ng blush and hindi ko nakita. I'm blind and sobrang pigmented niya and it's vegan, kaya ako napasigaw. See the difference with the blush on and bronzing powder? And next one is this mascara. Meron daw siyang eyelash effect. So, okay. Pero, ayun nga. Mag-eyeliner muna tayo, then right after yung mascara.
Very much, bent the whole world over and says thank you very much. I'm on the 14 carats, I dress you like skin tight. You look good for you. Wait a minute, 6 diamonds, but I'm here right now.
We are almost done. Lips is the last part, and so far I am loving all the products that I've tried. And let's see for the next looks kung ano yung magagawa ko with them. So, although mga base products naman siya, so I hope na marami. Nakadepende sa akin, guys. So, ayun, sana magtagal. And bakit ba ako parang ako nagdadasal. Pero ayun, patapos na. Yay! Sobrang basic ng makeup na to. And ayun, notice how wala akong eyelashes. Kasi nga sabi ko, punta ako ng work. Pero ayun, anyway, patapos na guys. And thank you so much. This is the final look. So, ayun guys, if you do like this vlog, even though sobrang gulo niya, if you still enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe. And please let me know what should I do next. And thank you so much. Goodbye.